How to create new department on Workfolio. For instance, once you log into Workfolio and go over to the top right hand corner and select all team, you can see you have the general all team, then you have design team and HR team. Let's say for instance you would like to add a new department or a new team. To do this, you'll go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on settings. After selecting settings, you'll tap on create new team in the top right hand corner. Then you can give the team a name. So for example, I'll just call it test. Then you'll tap on create team. After you have tapped on create team, you can see right there that it has been created. So you can tap on the team. Then from there you can add new employees by tapping on add new employee, and you can invite new employees. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.